In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from your Crypto.com account directly to your bank account in Australia. I'll cover everything step by step, from converting your crypto to cash, linking your bank account, and finally, withdrawing your money safely. First, open your Crypto.com app on your phone and enter your passcode. Once you're in, make sure you have a fiat wallet linked to your account. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry, I'll show you how. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From here, go to Crypto Wallet or Fiat Wallet, where you can see all your balances. If your Fiat Wallet isn't linked yet, you'll need to add your bank account. Crypto.com requires verification before you can withdraw, so make sure to submit all the requested information. This includes your full name, your Australian bank account number, and BSB code. After submitting, the verification process usually takes a few days. Once verified, your bank account will be ready for withdrawals. Now, if you want to transfer funds, first you need to convert your cryptocurrency into cash. From your home screen, select the crypto you want to sell, for example, Ethereum. Tap Sell, and make sure to select Sell to Fiat Wallet instead of another crypto wallet. Enter the amount you want to sell, confirm the transaction, and your crypto will now be converted into Australian dollars and appear in your Fiat wallet. Next, let's withdraw the money to your bank. Go to your Fiat wallet, tap Transfer, then select Withdraw. Choose AUD as the currency, then select your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. Crypto.com may charge a small withdrawal fee, and it can take 3 business days for the money to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank. If you want, you can check your withdrawal status by going to the transaction history in the app. This is also a good time to double-check that your account details are correct, so there are no delays. And that's it. Your money will arrive safely in your Australian bank account. This process works the same way whether you're on an Android or iOS device, so you can follow along on any smartphone.